This is the other elevator at Science Hall at SUNY Fredonia. In Fredonia, New York, it's another Otis hydraulic elevator, Series 4. This one has center opening doors. This one has a more interesting cab. I think the other one doubles as a service. This one's more just for passenger use. Basement, here you go down. This one's car 1. I think the other one's car 2. Here's the basement. Takes forever to level. Go up to 3. Here you go. Here 3. Back down to the ground. Is the cabinet locked again? Yep, it's also locked on this one. It's like stainless steel, but it's like an interesting texture. I wasn't expecting this kind of cab. The other one has a stainless steel, but it's just a plain one. Like big spotlights, which are also kind of interesting. Here back at ground. Because it's not going to be it.